Okay,
Hi.
so
Oh,
let's
hi.
go.
My name is Rachel Manuel.
My name's Haley Conklin.
We both decided that the best way to memorize things for both of us is to use flashcards. So we went ahead and divided the 8 elements of thought in half between the two of us and did what we thought best to memorize.
All right. So, do you want to go first, or you want me to go first?
You go ahead, go first.
Okay. So, the first one is purpose, which is what you're trying to accomplish. And so your purpose needs to be clear, it needs to be justifiable, it needs to be important and realistic. And then questions that relate to purpose would be like, what did you say? Or what is your purpose in doing ... And then another one is question at issue, which is the question lays out the problem or issue and guides your thinking. It needs to be clear and precise so it's not confusing with another question. It can be broken down into sub-questions, and all reasoning is an attempt to solve a problem. So the question is to solve a problem. The next one is information. All reasoning is based on data, information, and evidence. So information includes facts, data, evidence, and experiences. It needs to be clear, accurate, and relevant to your question. And you need to search for your side of the research and an opposing side, and you need to collect enough information to answer your question. And then the last one I have is interpretation and inference. And this is conclusions that you make from inferencing. And inferences should logically follow from evidence. And questions that relate to inferencing is my inference logical? Does this interpretation make sense? And how did you reach this conclusion?
It's a tongue twister. All right. Can you hold up your flashcard so maybe we can show them?
Yeah. So this is.
There we go.
Can you see it? Okay.
Yeah, I can see it.
All right. So cool. This one is interpretation and inference, and then I have the information on the back. Information, and then information on the back. Which one's that? Question. Information, yeah.
There we go. Awesome.
I underlined like the important parts of it.
Yeah, I did that too, kind of. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the point of view, which that's backwards, but look at the back.
These are backwards to me.
Back. Right. So the point of view, oh, I dropped it. The point of view is the place, aka your viewpoint. So it's what you're looking at and how you see it. You need to make sure you understand your limitations when it comes to the point of view, and you have to make sure you consider relevant viewpoints. The next one is implications and consequences. Implications are logical claims and truth, and they follow from thoughts. Consequences follow from action. Totally makes sense. Next one is assumptions. Assumptions are beliefs that you take for granted, and they operate at subconscious or unconscious level of thought. And you must be clear about your assumptions and justify your assumptions by sound evidence. And then my last one is concepts. And concepts are ideas, theories, laws, principles, or hypotheses, and they are used to make sense of things. But you must be clear about your concepts, and you must use your concepts justifiably. Justifiably. So those are our 8 elements of thought. And how to remember them. Yes, using note cards. These handy things. All right. That's it. All right, let me